Star of the show. Day 48, Hocking Hills, hiking with Annie. Whee. We're the only people out here on this cold, muddy day. And smiling.
That's it.
Like a little walkway.
Oh.
There you go. Adventure Annie. What a great sister I have. It's following me. Not sure exactly where we're headed. I really hope it's something cool. Little baby waterfall appetizer.
Oh, that's cute.
This one wasn't easy to get to. Maybe summertime. I don't know. Entirely worth it, but I'm glad I checked it out. And back that way.
Oh man. Okay.
Can you make it to the rock?
I'll get my
Go, Annie, go.
That's
There you go.
Okay.
Now you just keep moving fast at that point.
There we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Woo! This is the trail back. It's pretty muddy. ATV and horse trail. My feet are already wet, so I don't know how much it matters, but it's good to know for future reference. You want in on? Oh, I'm recording myself. Hello, handsome. Top of the fire. Here we are at the top of another waterfall. We call this the top of the waterfall hike. Have to make a point to get down to the bottom of them sometime. Little stream leading down. Box Canyon. Hold on tight to my phone. There we go. Hugging a tree. We did it. Whew. I'm gonna watch the mud now.